going to do an early song now featuring our twelve singers over there, Caroline and Kerry. And this is another opportunity for you to join in, because again it's another song that everybody knows. It's called Wild Mountain Thyme, or Will You Go, Lassie, Go.
All
going to introduce you to something a wee bit different. We're going to bring on the wee pipes now, the small Scottish lowland pipes. You heard the big Highland pipes earlier on, and this is a nice, quieter variety of those. Try that. Tell me about a wee bit.
Are we on? Can you hear me? Right, okay. Scottish small pipes. You heard the Highland pipes at the start of the evening. Much louder, a lot brusher, and these, you hear these lovely mellow tone of them. Highland bagpipes go way back to the 12th century, early records, whereas the small pipes when they came into being about the 16th, 17th century. Much mellower, as I said, and more compatible for playing with fiddles and other instruments, accordions, that type of thing. Whereas the Highland bagpipes, these are easier to tune. The Highland bagpipes, once you tune them once, they're in tune, and that's it for the rest of the night. Whereas the Highland bagpipes, you probably see pipers tuning at their drums. They're very temperamental. There's only one thing that I know is more temperamental than a set of bagpipes, and she's sitting in the house tonight. So, we're going to do a wee tune called Lord Lovett's Lament. Lord Lovett was a guy, Simon Fraser, and 1715 to 1745, he took the side of the government against the Jacobites. But eventually, it's a long story, eventually he was taken down to London and he was executed. He ended up a peer down there, but he was executed. And he said that on the event of his death, that all the pipers would march from John O'Groats to Edinburgh, and that's where we get the tune from, Lord Lovett's Lament. This microphone's just not behaving tonight. Two, three, four.